Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the tarot card filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section just slide up until you see this image. This is the filter. Okay, select the filter, then tap on the screen to trigger the filter. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for tarot cards. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. Let's see what I'm getting now. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this tarot cards filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.